Now, to make your paracord bracelet, we work in the same way. It's exactly the same knot. But first of all, you have to measure how big your wrist is. So slot that on your wrist. This is probably the trickiest bit. Find out where you want how big you want the bracelet to be, and then unclip that. At the same time, you might need to have somebody to help you, so that this is now the bit that you're going to be working down. So you've held that there because that's where the length of your bracelet needs to be. This is the bit that you're working down between the two clips. Same knot. Over the top. Trap that one by using this one. You're working over this one, so trap, and then this one comes up through. So you've got like a figure of 8, and then pull both. I'll just get this one done because the first one you might need to have somebody to help you. Remember, we have this bridge knot. So you've got the bridge there, so now it's this one that goes over the top first of all. You've done that. This is the other side. This is now going to come underneath this one and up through the hole. And then you pull both sides. I will link you to other YouTube people because it might be easier to see it with somebody else. So you've got the bridge this side, so this goes over the top. Trap that one, get that one out the way, have this one over here, and then pull up through. And then you work it all the way along the length until you get to the other end, and then that is what you will end up with. And again, you can cut the ends off, or I try when I do mine to tuck them underneath the last bit. Cut the ends and seal it, and there you have your bracelet. The good thing about this is if you go wrong, you can unpick it, so it's no trouble. So you should end up with a lovely bracelet, a little person, and a keyring, either a curly keyring or a straight keyring. Good luck!